Got a Roadrunner 1970 Plymouth 383. You can tell it's a 383 because in the front here, like by where the water manifold is, it would be flat to the water pump. These are stout motors. Anyway, it's got some headers on there too. So I don't know what it's putting out. I know stock is 383 high performance or Magnum, put out 335 horse. And I like in 70 how they came out with better seats. Better seats. You got the pistol grip shifter with the 4-speed, 150 mile an hour speedometer, tick-tock clock tack. I don't know what they call it in Mopar land. I know it's like the tick-tock tack or something in Chevy land. But it's got the tack and a clock in one. The full gauge package. Lucky man. This could be a Dukes of Hazzard car too with this bird on it. And they added the coyote thing on there. I mean, Jason, not the Roadrunner, blasting off. I like how they did that in 70. 70 was the best year, I think, for Roadrunner, man, to tell you the truth. But I like the 71s and 72s, too. 73, they started getting funky. All of them started getting funky back in 73. This is the sweet spot, 69, 70 usually. So, yeah, I'm looking at this motor because I remember this. I was under the hood of this thing a lot, you know. So.